Firstly, we need to decode how many rows and cuts by our eyes, then we can measure the row position and key space with calipers. Take the key in video as example. There are 6 cuts, 2 rows, row 1 position is 310, row 2 position is 610. Dimple decoder and dimple cutter are needed for this keys. Click Duplicate. Dimple key. Click Tip button. Fix the original key by tip alignment on S1, as shown in the figure. Tighten the jaw. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is tightened. Click Decode and Measure button. The machine needs measure the key position first. Click Row and input 310 for row 1. Click Move button. Make sure the decoder and key position are aligned. Then click Decode to start decoding automatically. After row 1 decoding done, click Row and input 610 for row 2. Click Move button. Make sure the decoder and key position are aligned. Then click Decode to start decoding automatically. After decoding, take out the original key, and fix a new key blank on S1, then tighten the jaw. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is tightened. Click OK. Then click Cut to start cutting. Cutting is done. Please clean the debris. Test that the new key works well.